Tadoba Andhari Tiger Reserve is one of the major tiger reserves in central India. Covering the area of 625 square kilometers, it is completely devoted to the conservation of natural flora and fauna of this region. Located in the Chandrapur district of Maharashtra state, Tadoba Andhari Tiger Reserve is one of the 41 tiger reserves which are most beautiful and well preserved in India. This reserve is home to around 90 individual tigers. The reserve came into existence after Tadoba National Park was merged together with Andhari Wildlife Sanctuary in the year 1995 to establish what we call today the Tadoba Andhari Tiger Reserve. The tiger reserve has three zones: Tadoba, Moharli and Kolsa. There are 4 gates for Tadoba and Moharli zones. Khutwanda and Moharli are from Chandrapur side, whereas Navegaon and Kolara are from Nagpur side. Irrespective of different gates, the area of the tiger reserve is common for all. Now we are in the core zone of Tadoba and Moharli forest. Only 20% of the core area is allowed for ecotourism activity. Rest 80% of the core area is kept isolated from every kind of human intervention to maintain the natural balance. Tadoba Reserve boasts with very rich biodiversity and endless treasure of large number of species in flora and fauna. Along with the 4 celebrated mammal species, which are the Bengal tiger, Indian leopard, sloth bear and wild dog, the reserve is home to many other mammals who play an equally important role in the conservation of forest. Let us start with the sambar. The sambar is a large deer native to Indian subcontinent and Southeast Asia. However, sambar populations have declined substantially due to severe hunting and exploitation of its habitat due to socio-economic and industrial reasons. Spotted deer or cheetal deer is a species of deer that is native to Indian subcontinent. Grey langur, also called Hanuman langur, is a genus of old world monkeys native to the Indian subcontinent. Currently, 8 species are recognized. Wild tulsi is favorite among grey langur. However, other herbivorous animals tend to dislike it. The legend behind the conception of Tadoba National Park is very interesting. According to the local lore, Taru was a chief of a tribal village, but unfortunately he met a tragic end in a mind-blowing combat with a wild tiger. The tribal people thus built a shrine in the honor of god Taru. This shrine continues to exist under a soothing shadow of a big banyan tree located on the banks of the lake. Thus the name Tadoba to the forest and the lake. Apart from Andhari River, Tadoba Lake is also the main lifeline of the park. Tadoba Lake offers a good habitat for crocodiles to thrive. Kolsa and Junoria lakes not only ensure water resources for the park but also nestles life-sustaining environment. These water bodies support a wide variety of water birds and raptors. 195 species of birds have been recorded. Patches of grasslands are found throughout the reserves that support a wide variety of bird species. The forest is predominantly southern tropical dry deciduous forest with dense woodlands comprising about 87% of the protected area. The predominant tree species in the forest is teak. Other than teak, we also find ain, tendu, bheda, hirda, mahua, palas and arjun. These are some of the other tropical trees that grow in the reserve. This tiger reserve is home to around 90 tigers. However, ecotourism is allowed only in the area of 10 to 12 tigers. The global wild tiger population was estimated to be around 3,900, down from around 100,000 at the start of 20th century. There are around 3,000 tigers in India. 74 species of butterflies have been recorded in the reserve, including Malabar and common rose, common jezebel, common grass yellow, and great egg fly. The signature spider, giant wood spider, and others are often seen during monsoon and soon after. As a tiger reserve protocol, the movement of human settlement within the boundaries are restricted due to the possibility of hunting, farming, and habitat destruction activity. Managing a tiger reserve is a critical activity. Along with biodiversity conservation, rehabilitation of human settlement is parallelly an equally important activity. One can experience forest ecosystem with rich biodiversity and interesting wildlife sightings are assured at Tadoba, and it is rightly called the jewel of Vidarbha.